Could commodities be set up for a big year ahead? The Global X team has done a deep dive into everything you need to know as an investor. Which areas could be standouts in 2026? Let's get into that in this week's Market Moves. Okay, before we officially dive into commodities, a reminder they were a key driver of the stock market in 2025, and ultimately Canadian equities outperformed a lot of the key US benchmarks. So, can that continue? Okay, let's start with gold. Now, bullion is coming off a big year, but Global X research analyst Brooke Thackray would not be surprised to see more momentum because of three factors. Number one, central banks around the world have been buying a lot of gold. That could continue. Number two, governments, particularly Western governments, spending and ultimately, in some cases, weakening their currencies. That's a trend to watch. And then the fact that on the retail investor side, while we've seen a lot of interest in gold out of Asia, if you were to see in Western countries a pickup in some of that interest, that could also be a catalyst. Okay, what about beyond gold? Well, Thackray notes there are some forecasted shortages in a number of areas: copper, silver, uranium. So are we headed towards a commodity supercycle? Now, he notes that sometimes for that to happen, there has to be a loss of interest in another sector. Interestingly, the fact that there is continued interest in the AI boom could play into a commodity story. As an example, portfolio manager JC Daigle at Global X notes that every quarter that link between power generation and AI infrastructure gets stronger, and that could be one of the momentum drivers behind a commodity supercycle in the year ahead. Now, for more on this topic and all investing ideas for the year ahead, be sure to check out the perspective section of the Global X website. That's it for this week's Market Moves. What market moves are you watching? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next investing video.